Video wrapping up Austin Ninjas. Jay, how you feel about the install?
Awesome. Best ninja facility I've ever seen.
Oh, isn't that nice? But he's not lying. It is pretty amazing. Let's talk about some of these obstacles here. We have the flying bar trainer. This was designed here by AG Ninja with Matthew Johnson on the manufacturing job. Warped walls. We got a 14-footer with a 12-foot ledge, which is also a new feature for AG Ninja. Cheese walls and the floating poles. My favorite here, going along after the flying bar trainer to the spider wall, which is done in acrylic and beautiful padding everywhere. This is a very safe facility. Mats are coming. They're not here yet. Going down row one, we have the unstable bridges and the monkey bars. Inside here we have the rotating knobs followed by the cliffhanger. This is a 10-foot wide alley with lache bars the whole way down. Coming on this side we have the ring and peg peak treacherous obstacle. This is also a new one for AG Ninja. We now do the circuit board, just like you see on the show. It's a little smaller version. Kids are gonna love that. Trapeze to the circuit board. Moving along here to add next section. Got a combination obstacle. You can do rings and pipes, or you can do the rumbling dice. Jay tried it earlier, got nowhere.
That's not true.
Tilting ladders. Making the turn here, coming around lane number 3. Going through the floating pole, sea of poles. 2 bombs here, places to put your feet. And then following through to the tilting frames. Super fun obstacle. Then onto the Devil's Bridge. It's like 3 obstacles in one. Also one of our own designs. Coming through on lane number 4, last one, we have the unstable bridge, the low bridge, followed by one we're just finishing up here, the traverse box with all sorts of options.
You have to be a ninja to set up the ninja equipment, as you can see.
That's Dallas up there, risking his life for the sake of an install. And don't let him man a few words, but hard worker, gotta say.
Hard work.
That's it, folks.
The
That's a wrap here on AG Ninja. We do have the rope alley here, followed by a missile ring, another rope, coming through here to another ring afterwards. And last but not least, another little bomb. Well, forgot about the rope on the end. Jay motors through it just like a young fella. All right. One final look. And there it is.
When you need
See ya.
your ninja facility built, call AG Ninja.
AG Ninja.